Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite activities that we usually do at Science Open House. You're going to need 4 craft sticks, just regular size, a rubber band, and some duct tape. You'll only need about as long as your foot of duct tape. So the first step is going to be taking the duct tape and ripping a little piece off of the end. So now you have 2 pieces of duct tape, one long and one short. So just set the long one aside for a minute. The short one we're going to take and we're going to rip in half lengthwise. So now we have 2 tiny strips. Now you take your popsicle sticks and set them next to each other, and then a short piece of the duct tape just a little ways from the edge of the popsicle sticks. This is important for later. So keeping the 2 popsicle sticks flat, you just wrap the duct tape around the ends. And then you can go ahead and do that to the second pair of popsicle sticks. Now you take the 2 pairs of popsicle sticks with duct tape on the ends and put them next to each other with the untaped ends facing. And then you take your big piece of duct tape and put the popsicle sticks on there. I like to leave a little gap between the pairs of popsicle sticks. And then you wrap the tape around the popsicle stick pairs like this. Next you take the rubber band and you put it between the popsicle sticks at one end. You twist and put the rubber band between the popsicle sticks on the other side. So now how does this work? Well, we take the 2 ends and open them up and fold the whole thing inside out. So the rubber band is now stretched all the way around the outside. So you set it down on the table or floor. So what's happening here? Well, elastic bands are very stretchy, and when you stretch an elastic band, it always likes to go back to its original size. So stretching it around the outside of the popsicle sticks puts in some potential energy. When we let go, the elastic band wants to be its original size, it wants to get smaller. So to do that, it will pull the other side around. And it becomes kinetic energy.